Welcome to another installment of the Budget Home Bartender. Today is Election Day in the United States, and regardless of whoever you vote for, as the results roll in tonight, I think we all will need a good, strong drink as the evening progresses. So in honor of Super Tuesday, this installment is going to showcase a heavy hitter, the Long Island Iced Tea. I call the Long Island Iced Tea a heavy hitter because it has 4 liquors in it. 4 clear liquors in it. Gin, vodka, tequila, and rum. Combined, this drink packs a punch, and yeah, for an evening such as tonight, I highly recommend it. So let's get started. Okay, so all of our liquor pours are going to be measured in a ½ ounce. So we're going to start first with a ½ ounce of gin, and then a ½ ounce of vodka. Next, we will do a ½ ounce of tequila, Blanco tequila. And then finishing our heavy liquors with a ½ ounce of white rum. And next, to tie everything together, we are going to add a ½ ounce of Orange Liqueur, in this case triple sec. And to take away from the tart bitterness of lemon juice, which is coming up, some simple syrup, ½ ounce. Now, to give it that tart bitterness, we're going to add about 3 ounces of lemon juice. Okay, so now we are going to give it a good hard shake for about 12 seconds, but you can go up to as high as 20 seconds. Okay, so now we want to get a tall glass and fill that up with ice. So with our Hawthorne strainer already on our mixer, we are going to do a single strain of this drink into our glass. With proper measurement of our ingredients combined with ice, it should fill it up about 3/4 of the way. Okay, so now we are going to top it up with Coke, or in my case, Diet Coke, but the normal ingredient is regular Coke. Okay, so for our garnish, we're just going to slice a very thin lemon wheel. Okay, we are going to take that lemon, place it in our drink, and using a straw or a spoon, we are going to push down that Coke that's been sitting at the top so we can get that Long Island Iced Tea look. And as with any drink, you always want to give it a taste test before you serve it. And there it is, the Long Island Iced Tea. I hope you give my recipe a try. Regardless of the election outcome, at least you will have a good, strong drink to enjoy. Be good to each other, and thanks for watching.